You're late for a party, and you need directions fast. You grab your phone, type in the address, and boom, Google shows you the fastest route in seconds. But have you ever stopped to wonder how Google finds answers so quickly? How does it sort through billions of web pages and pick the best ones just for you? The process starts long before you even type your search. Google is constantly scanning the internet using tiny programs called web crawlers. Imagine little robotic spiders moving from page to page, following links, and collecting information. These crawlers send everything they find back to Google's massive index, a giant digital library storing snapshots of almost every web page in existence. But unlike a regular library, this one isn't organized alphabetically. It's built to find exactly what you need in a fraction of a second. Once the information is collected, Google doesn't just pile it up, it carefully analyzes each page, looking at the words, images, and even how the site is structured. It also checks how trustworthy a page is by seeing how many other websites link to it. A well-respected site like a major news outlet is more likely to rank higher than a random blog with no sources. Now comes the moment you type in a search. Instantly, Google's powerful algorithm kicks into gear. An algorithm is a complex set of rules that decides which pages should appear first. But Google doesn't just match words, it tries to understand what you actually mean. If you search for Jaguar, are you looking for the animal, the luxury car, or a sports team? Google uses clues like your past searches, your location, and even what's trending to guess your intent. Think of Google's ranking system like a massive competition, where web pages are judged on different skills: relevance, speed, popularity, and trustworthiness. The best ones make it to the top. In fact, Google uses over 200 factors to decide which results to show you. How fast does the page load? Is it mobile friendly? Does it answer your question clearly? If lots of people click on a page and stay there, it's a sign that the content is useful, and Google may rank it even higher. Once the best results are chosen, Google presents them in a carefully designed layout. The first few results are often ads. Businesses pay to appear at the top. Below that, you'll see organic search results, which Google ranks based on quality and relevance. Sometimes you'll also get featured snippets, quick answers pulled from websites so you don't even have to click a link. And here's a fun fact. Google processes over 8.5 billion searches every day. That's about 100,000 searches every second. And it's always learning. If people stop clicking on a certain result, Google might push it lower and give something else a chance. Search results constantly change to reflect what's most useful at the moment. So, the next time you type something into Google and get an answer in less than a second, remember what's happening behind the scenes. Billions of pages analyzed and ranked in an instant, just to help you find exactly what you need. Now that you know how it works, try searching something new and see if you can spot Google's ranking magic in action.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.